In 3D Coat 2021, you have different smoothing brush types, and in this video we're going to focus on Tangent Smooth. When I click on that, you'll see in the Tool Options panel that you have an Effects modifier, Relax, and Tangent Smooth is checked. If you uncheck that, you're just going to get relaxing, but with that checked, it's going to relax based on extreme tangency. So what that means is a lot of times you will be sculpting and you might notice some jagged edges that you really would like to be smoothed out, but you don't necessarily want to have to increase the subdivision in order to do that. You can use tangent smoothing to help you do this. Let's go ahead and switch to something like a clay brush. Okay, now I'm going to switch to Tangent Smooth, and on low resolution to medium resolution meshes, many times you will see some rough edges again at the base of an extrusion because there's just not enough geometry, or the tangency is a bit too extreme. So let's go ahead and brush, and you can see it really does not degrade the overall stroke, it just tries to improve the geometry. And that's going to conclude this quick look at using tangent smoothing in 3D Coat 2021. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.